I'm Scott Ramsayer with Shure's Pro Systems Group. This video will show you how to set up your Qlxd wireless microphone system. First, connect your antennas to the A and B connectors. Connect the power supply to the receiver and your power source. Next, connect the receiver audio output. If you are connecting to a microphone input, use the XLR output and set the switch to mic. If you are connecting to an instrument amplifier, use the 1/4-inch output. The position of the mic line switch does not matter when using the 1/4-inch output. Once the receiver is connected, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Now it's time to find an open channel. Press the menu button on the receiver to access the scan function. Press Enter to scan. The icon will flash until the scan is complete. Then the group and channel will appear on the display. Install the batteries into your transmitter and turn it on. To sync the transmitter, press the sync button on the receiver and align the transmitter's IR window about 6 inches away. When the sync is complete, Good will display on the receiver and the blue RF LED will illuminate to indicate connectivity. During your sound check, make sure to monitor the audio meter and LED. The meter should display at least 3 bars, and the LED should be green. If necessary, reduce or increase the gain using the arrow buttons on the front of the receiver. For more information, visit Shure.com.